Hey guys, good morning, welcome back. Let's crochet a beanie today, and this size is for our young kids, okay? So I'm going to use a size I 5.5mm crochet hook, a number 4 medium worsted weight yarn. Okay, if you are ready guys, let's begin. We're going to begin with the magic ring. Wrap around yarn on your finger twice. 1, 2. I know you guys know how to do the magic ring already if you're not new into my channel. Okay, into the ring we're going to make a 12 double crochet. Make a chain 3, and this is counted as first double. Now we are going to make 11 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 11 double crochet including the beginning chain 3. Now let's close the ring. We're going to pull the inside strand. This is the outside and this is the inside here. Pull the inside one from left to the right halfway like that, and this tail, we're going to pull this tail nice and tight. Okay, the ring is secured, so we're going to join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. 1, 2, 3, join it with slip stitch on top. Okay, for the round 2 we're going to make a 1 front post single crochet into the same stitch as joining. So from the front to the back, insert hook, pull up yarn, and draw 2 loops. Then make a chain 2. So this is counted as first front post double crochet. And into the space between the first double and the second double, this is the first double, second double, in between we're going to make 1 double crochet. Okay, and then front post double crochet around the next double, and 1 double crochet in between the 2 doubles. Front post double crochet around the next double, 1 double crochet in between, front post double crochet around the next double, 1 double crochet in between. And I want you to go ahead and repeat this pattern around. Make front post double crochet around the next double, and in between the 2 double here we're going to make 1 double crochet. Repeat this pattern around guys, and I will meet you for the joining. Okay guys, before the joining I still have to make 1 double crochet in between the beginning double and the last double. Okay, 1 double crochet, and then join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2. So you should have 24 double crochet around. Let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Okay, for the round 3, make a 1 front post single crochet into the same stitch as joining like before, and then chain 2, and in between the first double and the next front post we are going to make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Now we are going to skip this double crochet here, and into the next front post double crochet we are going to make 1 front post double crochet. Okay, and in between the front post and the next double we are going to make 2 double crochet, 1, 2. and we are going to skip the next double crochet, and into this front post double crochet make one front post double and 2 double crochet in between this front post and the next double, 1 and 2. Now I want you to go ahead and repeat this pattern around. Skip this double crochet, and around this front post double make one front post double crochet, and in between this front post and the next double here in between we are going to make 2 double crochet. So go ahead guys and repeat this pattern around, and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my round guys, and my last stitch is 2 double crochet, and I have the total of 36 stitches around. Now we are going to join it like before. Slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2, and make a front post single again, and then chain 2, and in between the front post double and the next double we are going to make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, and we are going to skip this 2 double crochet here, and around the next front post double crochet we are going to make 1 front post double crochet, and then 3 double crochet in between this front post and this double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Now skip the next 2 double and make 1 front post double crochet around the next front post, and 3 double crochet in between this front post and the next double, Now I want you to go ahead and repeat this pattern around again. Skip this 2 double crochet, and then around this front post double make 1 front post double crochet, and in between this front post and the next double over here we are going to make 3 double crochet. So go ahead guys and finish your round repeating this pattern around, and I will meet you for the joining. Okay guys, I finished my round and I still have 2 double crochet left here. The very last 2 double crochet, we're going to skip that and join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2 like before. And we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48. We have 48 stitches around. And for the round 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, for the round 5, make 1 front post single around the joining stitch again. And then make a chain 2. And in between the first front post and the next double, here this is the first front post and this is the next double. In between, we are going to make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we are going to skip this 3 double crochet here, and around the next front post double we are going to make 1 front post double crochet. And in between this front post and the next double we are going to make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now skip this 3 double crochet, and into the next front post make 1 front post double crochet and 4 double crochet in between the front post in the next double. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I want you to go ahead and repeat this pattern around again. Skip this 3 double crochet, 1 front post double around this double crochet, and 4 double crochet in between this front post and the next double over here. Okay, repeat this pattern around, guys, and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my round, guys, and I have the total of 60 stitches around, and I am going to skip the last 4 double crochet here at the end of the round, and then join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2. And for the remaining rounds, guys, I want you to go ahead and repeat this last round that we just finished 7 more times. Okay, repeat this last round 7 more times, and always begin your work with front post single around the joining and then chain 2. Okay, so go ahead, guys, repeat this last round that we just finished 7 more times, and I will meet you for the next round. Okay, I finished my remaining rounds, guys, and this is how it looks like now. And for the next round, we are going to make a chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch as joining, and we are going to continue working 1 single crochet into each stitches around with a total of 60 single crochet. So go ahead, guys, and make 1 single crochet into each stitches around, and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my round, and now let's join it with slip stitch into the beginning single here. Join it with slip stitch, and for the next round, make a chain 2 and make 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch. And 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch. 1/2 double crochet into the next, and we are going to repeat this around, guys, making 1/2 double crochet into each stitches around with a total of 60 half double crochet. So go ahead, guys, and finish your 1/2 double crochet around, and I will meet you for the next round. I finished my round, guys, and I joined it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2. Now for the next round, make a chain 2, and around the next 1/2 double crochet, we are going to make 1 front post 1/2 double crochet. And make 1 back post 1/2 double crochet around the next. One front post 1/2 double crochet around the next. 1 back post 1/2 double crochet around the next. 1 front post 1/2 double crochet around the next. Now go ahead and repeat this pattern around, guys. Make 1 back post 1/2 double crochet around the next, front post 1/2 double crochet around the next, back post 1/2 double crochet around the next. So go ahead and make 1 back post, front post, back post, front post alternately until you finish the round, and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my round, guys, and I joined it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2. Now for the next round, make a chain 2 and front post 1/2 double crochet around the next, back post 1/2 double crochet around the next back post, front post 1/2 double crochet around the next front post, back post around the next back post, front post 1/2 around the next front post, back post 1/2 around the next back post. So I want you to go ahead, guys, and repeat this pattern around again like before, making back post, front post, back post, front post 1/2 double crochet into each stitches, and then I will meet you for the joining. Okay, I finished my round, and I joined it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2. I close my work and cut the yarn, and don't forget to wave the tail of your yarn. And for the size of this hat, it has the circumference of 16 to 18 inches, and it has the length of 6.75 inches from top to the bottom to the brim. Okay, and this fits from 3 to 6 years old until 7 years old. And also, if you want to add a tag, you can just add a tag. I have two type of tags here. It is a handmade tag, made wooden made, and this is a fox leather. So you can add the leather like this. You can fold it like that, or you can just put it like that. And this one, you can just add it like that. Okay, thank you so much for crocheting along with me today, guys. I hope you have fun, and also I hope you're enjoying watching my videos, the rest of my videos. And if you have a question, just comment down at the comment section and I will try to respond as soon as I can. For this pattern, I already made the one for the newborn, for the toddlers, and for the adults, and this is for the young kids. And for the next one, I will be making the one for the teens. I think that's the size that I don't have yet for this pattern. Okay guys, thank you so much, and please like and share my videos. And if you are not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe so that you will be alerted if I have new videos. Yeah, thank you so much again, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and see you again for my next tutorial.